One right piece of advice has the potential and the power to transform your entire life. So today, I would like to ask you what is that one piece of right advice that you have received that has helped you and transformed you into a better leader of your life? A lot of times I hear people giving this advice that be practical, be realistic in your life. But I'll tell you, the best piece of advice that has transformed me into a better leader of my life is that don't be practical and don't be realistic all the time. This one piece of advice has helped me to get out of my limitations and get out of the cage of being practical. I would like to quote Steve Jobs here. He said, "People who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.